Here I have CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you might need this kind of tool, which might help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So you can you have to remove this cover. And try do it bare hand, but I will use some help of this tool to slightly remove it, and then I will go. Oh, okay. Now it's open. So now you will also need this tool to kinda hatch this thing here. So with it help you can slightly release this slot. Now you can access it with your hands. So just put it out like this. Nice. Here is our slot. So here you should put SD card, and here you should put SIM card. And then back into your device. Okay, one more try. Gently. Yes. That's the way it goes. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also a notification indicating issues with SD card, which is the proof that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.